Hello, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. This is As Muhammad Khan and I again welcome you with very interesting topic, that is suspension, student. Suspension is heterogeneous mixture, means it is the mixture that have non-uniform composition and it is found in the form of solute and solvent. Solute particles have larger size from which they are suspended in the solvent. Like this, in this, there are some suspended particles you can see in this. It is the chalk powder. Means water in chalk powder is an example of suspension. And in the suspension, the solute have the larger particles, larger size particles, and those larger size particles are found in suspended form. That's why this composition is known as suspension. And when those suspended particles are settled down at the bottom, and the process that they show is sedimentation. Means these particles, means the solute particles, show the sedimentation because they are settled down at the bottom of the pot. And in this you can see that they are settled down at the bottom of the pot. It means, what is it? It is a suspension. Now there are many examples we can take in this case, like the muddy water, slaked lime water. Now what is slaked lime water? Student, slaked lime water, when the water have calcium carbonate with water, then that particular chemical is known as slaked lime suspension. Slaked lime suspension. Like this paints, the paints that are generally is done on the walls, that is also an example of suspension. And in this, the solute particles can be filtered with the help of filter paper because they have larger size. And what size they have? They have size more than 10 power minus 5 centimeter. And due to this, they can be filtered with the help of filter paper. And some particles of the suspension we can also observe with the help of our naked eye. In case of sand in water, if we put the sand in water, then those sand particles we can easily observe. So it is about the suspension, student. Now in the next segment we will discuss about the colloidal solution. So student, now we will discuss about the colloidal solution. Colloidal solution are the heterogeneous system in which solute and the solvent both are found. Solutes are found in the form of dispersed phase. Dispersed phase. They may be solid, liquid and gas substances. Means they are found in all the three states. And solvent is found in the liquid medium. Generally it is found in the liquid medium. So it is the heterogeneous system in which solutes and the solvents are found. Solutes are found in the dispersed phase and solvents are found in dispersed medium. And the example of the colloids are blood, milk, ink and jelly. These are the example of colloids. Now the particles that they have the size more than 10 power minus 5 centimeter to 10 power minus 7 centimeter. And their particles can be filtered, and the example of that, like the blood have the water, and in that water there are the different cells are found, like RBC, WBC, platelets. So what they are solute. And what is solvent here? Solvent is water, and they are found in that. That's why we can say that the blood is an example of colloids or colloidal solution. Now there, according to the dispersed phase or dispersed medium, there are the different colloidal systems, or there are the different colloids. So about those colloids we will discuss one by one. So student, now there are the different types of colloids. The first colloids that generally you listen in our daily life, that is aerosol. Aerosol is the colloid that we use in our daily life, and we also see it as pollutant, like the smoke. Smoke is an example of aerosol. Like this, the deo sprays that you use for your body as getting the good smell or the good odor. So that deo and the scents are also the example of aerosol. Now what are the aerosol and how will you define it? About that I want to give you one trick. Like what are the colloidal solution? They are the mixture, means heterogeneous mixture of dispersed phase and the dispersed medium. So there are the two substances are found. One is found as dispersed phase and one is found as dispersed medium. Like aerosol. Aerosol is the heterogeneous colloid in which the solid or liquid particles are dispersed in gas, and the example of this is smoke. So how will you define the aerosol? Again I am revising it. Aerosol is the heterogeneous mixture in which solid or the liquid particles are dispersed in gaseous medium. Example, smoke and deos, or the scent spray that you use in your daily life to get the good odor. Second is sol. What is sol? Sol is also the heterogeneous colloid or heterogeneous system in which the solid particles are dispersed in liquid medium. Example is glue and paint. Glue and paint is an example of sol, student. Sol. Third colloid is emulsion. Emulsion is again the colloid in which the liquid particles as solute are dispersed in liquid medium, and the example of this is milk and oil. And the paint, some paints are also the example of emulsion. Now we come on the next colloid. So in the gel is a colloid that is the mixture or heterogeneous mixture of solid and liquid, in which the solid particles are dispersed in liquid medium, and the example of this is butter and polish, or the shoe polish is an example of gel, students. Gel. Next colloid is foam. And what is foam? Foam is a colloid that is the heterogeneous mixture of liquid or solid substance in the gaseous medium, and the example of this is cream. Cream is an example of foam, student. Foam. So these are the examples of the colloid student. Now I am sure that you have cleared this topic, types of colloids and the suspension. Now you will read this in your book. Thank you very much and have a nice day.